Hello and welcome. My name is Ali Goff. I'm the owner and founder of Goff Legal, and I wanted to share our process with you today. I know that a lot of people are thinking about estate planning and don't know what to expect. And although our office is not the same as every office, this might give you a good perspective on what some offices do and a really good idea of what we do here at Goff Legal. So here's our flyer. This has our information on it. And the next page gives you don't worry about reading all of that, but this will give you a roadmap of what the experience is going to be like, knowing that while yours is individual and every client has their own experience, this is our general process that you can expect. So the goal is you have peace of mind. That's what we'd like you to leave with. We'd like you to leave feeling really good about the decisions you've made and that your loved ones are protected, your finances are protected, whatever your goals are, that they are achieved. So phase one, gather and design. We invite you to schedule a consultation with one of our attorneys. It is a paid consultation, meaning we get to use the time to give you legal advice. A lot of firms will set you up with a quick and meet and greet. There's nothing wrong with those. We just found that we do really well when clients have an opportunity to sit down and meet with us and really talk about the meat and potatoes of their plan. And one of the reasons we can do that is we send you a Decision Vault link. It's a secure portal where you can fill out all your information, your goals, your concerns, your asset information, all that's protected and secure. And then when we meet with you, we can give you really some customized advice on what the options might be. You can meet with the attorney virtually or in person. We're in Rockland. And then we like during that meeting, if you've made some of those decisions, take opportunities and go ahead and decide what's coming next, who's in charge of your plan, who's going to get your money, and what kind of plan you're going to get, what level of protection you're looking for. And then you pay the balance and sign a new agreement and really sort of have that all buttoned up. If you do have original documents or original estate planning documents you've already signed, then that fee pays for the consult and does not get applied to your new package. Next up, once you've signed and paid and everything's good to go, we're going to take all the information we gathered from you during that first meeting, and we're going to create a summary for you in plain English that says exactly what your plan does. And then if you need a second short meeting, no big deal. We can schedule that. Most clients don't need it. They're off and running. They're like, no. I'd rather do something else while you send me a summary. And then 3 days after a summary is sent, if there's no changes, we'll go ahead and draft your plan. And we'll really make sure that plan is yours. Make sure that you've got the customizations and those documents are personalized to you. You can expect from phase 3 that you'll have an opportunity to review your documents at least 1 week prior to your review appointment with the attorney. You can send any minor changes back. You can review the documents with the attorney, either on Zoom before your signing meeting, or you'll meet with them at your signing meeting and then you'll sign immediately after. So we've got flexibility if you're want to meet virtually or in person. And then at your review appointment, the attorney will go over what your funding homework is. Yes, there's some homework involved. And you'll know how your trust works, how to update it, and what to do after you sign your documents. Phase 4, you have some options. 1, you can come into our office in Rockland for no additional cost. We've already included it, and we'll go ahead and sign your documents with you. If you'd like to sign off, no problem. You'll need to coordinate and pay for the notary cost. We do have some options, by the way, so you're not left on an island. And we do have some concierge services. So if you want us to add that into your package price and handle the whole thing for you, including witnesses, we can do that. You just let us know. After signing, we'll go ahead and take care of the recording of all real property documents for California. You'll get a document in your index binder. You'll also receive electronic copies and written instructions. Remember that homework we went over in phase 3? You're going to go ahead and get those in writing with your binder in phase 4. And then lastly, if you decided that the homework was not as fun as you thought it would be, or you'd like some additional support, we are more than happy to add that on at a later date. We can actually add it on at the beginning, but most people want to go ahead and try and fund their trust on their own. But we're happy to assist. And then later down the road, if you get new assets, just give us a call. There's no cost to talk about your changes in terms of if you've got new assets. I would say every 3 to 5 years, probably come back. We'll do a trust review. We'll look at your documents, make sure everything looks good. If everything does, you're done. And if you'd like to make changes, we can give you pricing at that time. So I hope this gives you a really good idea of what to expect for the Goff Legal estate planning process. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email info@gofflegal.com. We're happy to chat, or you can text our number 625-6556. There it is there. Email, phone, text, any of those during regular business hours. We're happy to chat. All right, have a wonderful time and a wonderful year. Bye.